Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're just going to do a basic function with some parameters in it. But before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Right, let's create our first function here called personal info, and we're going to give it a couple of parameters. So I'm going to give it a parameter of name, but I'm going to assign somebody's name to that, so that's going to be Billy. And the next parameter I'm going to give it is surname, which is going to be equal Bob. And the next parameter is going to be country, which is going to be equal to the USA. Okay, let's have a look. And then we're going to print some details, but we're going to use the string format to do that. So I'm going to do two functions here, and I'm going to use two different string formats to show you how they both work. So the first one I'm going to do, I am, and that will put Billy in, and from, and then some more curly bracket braces there, and then it's going to be dot format. This is one way that you can do it. And then we're going to put name, surname, and country. Okay, so that's going to place those names into there. So I'm going to create the next function now, which is going to be, I'm going to call it details. Why not? So that's the next function. I'm going to pass it some parameters. So we're going to say job. It's going to be something like chicken chaser. State. Let's have a look. State is going to be something like Alabama. Okay, and right, just two parameters, I've passed it there. So let's have a look. So let's print, and we're going to use the other format technique here, which is easier. I think it's good to know both of these to get yourself acquainted with them. Whichever one you want to choose is up to you, depending on personal preference and how easy you find it. So we put the F for format there, and I'm then we do the brackets again, but we've got to insert job here. We're going to use up there, so job, sorry, that's wrong, from, and we're going to put state. Okay, then we're just going to close off the brackets. First of all, we're going to, well, in fact, we're going to call them both. We'll call both functions at the same time, so that's going to be personal info, personal info there, and we're also going to call details as well. Okay, now all we have to do is save this and run it. So there we go. I am Billy from Bob. I didn't mean to do that. Let's rearrange that. I am Billy from Bob, and I forgot to put the country there. I am Billy. Let's do this properly. Bob from. Okay, I think that should look better now. So let's run that, shall we? Okay, that looks better. I am Billy Bob from USA. I am a chicken chaser from Alabama. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Remember, check out my other videos, hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe. Bye-bye.